So now that we've got over 2 years of history under our belt, we can look at the whole project and now say confidently that they've saved on average 70% on their electric bill versus the old variable air volume system that was here previously. Euclid Chemical's been here in Cleveland since 1910, and they provide a variety of products for the construction industry. Here in the Tech Center, they've got a very diverse group of rooms that they use that all needed to be controlled on an individual room-by-room basis.
And when I got into the building, I found out that what they really had was an old, antiquated, regular air conditioning style system with a form of reheat. So we had two temperatures, two fuels fighting each other to try to get some measure of symmetry with comfort, and they weren't getting the job done at all. Plus, it was costing them a small fortune.
Their utility costs were far exceeding a national average, a local average on a per square foot basis. We started working with them about 4 years ago to try to come up with a new solution that would cut their utility cost and provide greater comfort. So LG was the solution. We were able to start very quickly and take out the old variable air volume system and retrofit that with the new LG VRF system. It was a very smooth transition. They were still able to keep their old system running as we transitioned to the new system.
So a combination of things were used. Where we could, we reused the existing ductwork just to save on cost, and we plugged our ducted fan coil into the place of the VAV box. But there were other specific spaces where we had to put lay-in ceiling cassette units. There's a few 2-ways, some 4-ways. So having that variety of choices made it particularly nice to apply to this project.
We've got a central refrigeration system that travels from the outdoor unit to a variety of indoor air handlers here in the building.
All we ran was little 3/8, 5/8 inch lines, refrigerant line sets, to the fan coil that we put in place of that VAV box. That now became the only thing that we were running through the building in order to tie that into the main condensing units outside.
And I think one of the benefits of this application is that in some cases we need cooling in some areas, while some of the other rooms that are on the exterior walls or have high ventilation rates may need some heating. So the way the system works is we can take the heat that's rejected from one area and we can move it right over to the other area that may need a little bit of heating. So it really provides a double benefit in that it can cool one area at the same time it provides heating for another area.
Well, the ROI is huge. It showed no less than a 70% decrease in that monthly usage. And this thing has paid for itself in a relatively short period of time.
VRF fits generally most all applications, whether it be a school, commercial building, a church. We're very feasible whether it's new construction or a retrofit. Because again, we are running small refrigerant lines, which is easy access, and actually we can actually help with downsizing the building because we're not running large ductwork.
It was just fantastic. It's a very nice setup where you can really adjust each individual air handler in a way to really fit what's going on in that space.
We're not just there for the front end and the application side, we're on the back end too to support that dealer or that distributor with support from LG.
Really, it's all about the support that we receive from LG, starting with the training for our technicians who installed it, training for our engineer who helped design it. That's why we're partnered up with LG. It's really been a great experience for us. I mean, this is a fantastic product that we put in here. It's accomplished all our goals of better temperature control, better comfort, and energy reduction, and done it in a manner that really provided a very quick payback for even a large corporation.